So this is Yanagawa station, and Yanagawa is popular for many things, and one of them is punting. So punting is basically this act of rowing the boat using a stick. So the waterway has to be shallow so that the boatman can push the boat forward. So now we're off to find ourselves a boatman.
Sightseeing area.
All right. And to come back, the bus?
Come back is this boat company have free shuttle bus.
Okay, perfect.
Go back. Okay.
Okay. So the guy at the Tourist Information Center was very helpful. There were actually three companies on the list that he provided me, but he told me to go to number 2 because they provide a free shuttle back to this area. So we're going there now. It's a 7-minute walk. It looks deserted. I mean, I say that because this is Japan and it's usually very crowded. But Yanagawa has this sort of empty feel to it. No, it's not empty, of course. It's just like in comparison to other places here in Japan. This is it. This is the company that was recommended by that old man at the information center. Wow, look at the sakura behind me. It's in full bloom and I hope to see more when I go punting. I think this is the first full metal torii that I've seen.
So because both we here,
Right.
this is one way and 1 hour activities. The final destination is here.
Ohana.
It's called Ohana. So after
So I have my ticket. So he says that there's about a 30-minute wait time to get onto a boat. I guess this is where we wait. But the line is moving now, so hopefully we get to ride our boat in very soon, I hope. Look at this, there are raincoats ready in case, it rains during your tour. So buti na lang, it's so sunny today. We're going to experience this very beautiful canal ride without the hassle of rain. So they punt using this bamboo stick, which has a metal pin at the end. Hi, arigato gozaimasu. All right, this is it. We're getting on. And I'm going to be in front. Thank you. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Yanagawa, and our canal ride on this boat is going to start in a few minutes. We're just waiting for a few more passengers. So the reason it's called punting, it's because the boatman is not actually rowing, rather he's pushing the boat with a bamboo stick. That stick has a metal pin on the end, and that's what he uses to push the boat forward. A lot of tourists here, and I get it. It's nice. It's a very nice experience. So if you're in Fukuoka, take the hour-and-a-half ride to Yanagawa and do this beautiful and relaxing canal ride here in Yanagawa.
My name is Katsuki.
Katsuki, hi.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Please enjoy.
Arigato gozaimasu.
推特上面。
ボートエッジ。Don't touch のですよね。ボートエッジ。Don't touch.
It's obviously a very smooth and relaxing ride, but I'm not able to move because I'm afraid to tilt the boat. So I probably will have a cramp because this is a 1 hour ride. So the boatman just said that that is the Yanagawa History Museum, the white building. So the boatman is saying that there are 7 boat companies here, and he just showed the logo of his boat company, which I am on right now.
後ろの入り口です。ウォーターゲート。ウォーターゲート。重たい。
This is bridge number 2, and he kept reminding us, don't touch the wall.
大丈夫。
Daijoubu, understand.
それ。まあ大丈夫大丈夫。あ、ノージャンプノージャンプ。皆さん。さあね、ユニフォームチェックしてくださいよ。ね、まずね、ユニフォームチェック。カッパチェック、カッパチェック。ダウンしてますんで。
So it's a very residential area pala here.
レフトサイドホワイト。
So that is the Japanese monster that the logo of his company is based on. So this is a nori factory, and he's saying that Yanagawa nori is #1, very delicious. Is that tsubaki? Those are tsubaki flowers. Beautiful. Lots of blackbirds here. It makes like a ka sound.
赤いレンガ作り。大きいでしょ。ライトアップ。
So that's a memorial of what? I don't know. Didn't really mention. At least he didn't mention it in English.
ピチピチジャンプジャンプランランラン。あらあらあの子はずぶ濡れだ。柳の根っ方で泣いている。あしりしりファラファラランランラン。はい、ありがとうございました。サンキュー。水上売店ドライブスルー。
揚げ餅1本300円いかがですか？買ってんじゃない？
So you can actually stop over here for some soft serve ice cream or mochi. But no one on the boat wants to buy anything. So those are ausagi, those are herons, and there are nests on top of the trees. Look at that. So this is a Yanagawa High School, and the Japanese boy who won the US Open Junior Championship goes here. That is a statue of a Japanese samurai. So the canals here in Yanagawa actually run for kilometers, several kilometers, and we're just doing a portion of it. The boat ride is about 1 hour.
コロリ転げた木の根っこあタンタラタンタカタンタンタンタンタンタンはいありがとうございます
So this is bridge number 9. And there are 11 bridges in total, which means that we are approaching the end of the boat ride. Hi, hi. Hi. Oh. Hi. Boom. Bridge number 10. So for the most modern of all the bridges we've crossed. Rather, of all the bridges we've gone under, this is the most modern.
My engine. Second engine.
So the boatman is saying that the rope is actually his engine. It's what moves him forward because when you're under the bridge, you can't punt. So this is an unagi restaurant and I can smell it. Wow, that smell of that unagi is so good. One by one. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Oh, slowly, slowly.
So the canals here in Yanagawa go on for several kilometers, but the route of the punters, I don't know if you could call it that, is just a portion which is very, very scenic. And I'm glad that I did this. This was very relaxing. I enjoyed it a lot. And it's not so expensive actually compared to other attractions here in Japan. Watch this. So first the boatman, the punter, if you will, instructs everyone to go down, to crouch, to duck because the bridge is just so low. And this is what he's going to do. It's so cool. Obviously, it's too low for the boatman to duck, but he's going to do something very special. There is a ladder attached to the bridge. And he's gonna use that to climb up. Up. He has to hurry because the boat might get too far ahead. He's gonna get his bamboo pole. And obviously the boat is too far away already. Come back, come back. He still has another option to go to that side and is he going to pull the boat? Let's see what he's gonna do. He can just get on from there. Sayonara. He tells them goodbye because he's going over the bridge. Surprise, I'm here. He said, like I said, Yanagawa is not just famous for its boat rides on the canals, but it's also famous for eel, or as it's called here, unagi. And we just ordered a very expensive dish. It's the most expensive dish that I've ordered in Japan so far since I arrived the other day, and I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna regret it. I'm sure it's gonna be very good. Cheers. I'm back at the Yanagawa train station. Had a great boat ride along the canals of Yanagawa. Had a wonderful meal. What else can I ask for?